back tomorrow.
Yeah, during Mass. Yeah. When the church is open, and I tell you, the church is beautiful, man.
Yeah.
It's beautiful on this.
Well, yeah, it was like just built in honor of the Stanislav Kostka Church in downtown Chicago, which was like the
We've
first.
had several Chicagoans come here for tours.
Yeah.
But it's just unfortunate because they're closed Monday and Tuesday. But on Wednesday, when they have Mass, man, that beautiful in there.
Wow. Okay. All right. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you.
I have a question, my buddy. Actually, Father Chadwick said to me that.
All right, guys. Yeah, I don't know if you guys heard that, but yeah, this is purely a banquet hall, so we won't go inside. We won't go inside or anything, but the fellow here reckons that if we come back tomorrow and speak to the priest, because he's out today, I guess, we can maybe go inside the church and do stuff like that. So because this is just so close to our hotel, I might actually do that tomorrow, because in any case we're gonna have to go like north from here. We're gonna have to go north, probably passing this place or very nearly passing this place. So yeah, instead of checking out at 11 or 12 tomorrow, I might wake up a little earlier and check out at like 10 and come up here and see if we could maybe meet the priest, because yeah, inside is just a banquet hall. There's nothing, he said, like you know, like there's nothing to the effect of like heritage in there, you know, posters or anything like that, because that's what I kind of wanted to do, is kind of like a Copernicus Center, where, you know, you have some like plaques and famous, you know, people, like famously like a famous Polish people of St. Louis and stuff to that effect. But he said this is nothing like that. So yeah, let me get settled here, because our right. So our headlight was kind of falling off. Anyways, guys, yeah. So sadly, this concludes the Polish Heritage Tour, the shortest tour. The shortest, but they have a beautiful Polish flag hanging there. So you see the flag? Okay, let's go. Another pocałowanie. I'm sorry, but you guys can get it translated. But another pocałowanie klamki. And actually, in current modern Polish lingo, klamka means gun. So no, I don't want to be kissing the what do you call it, the front of a gun or whatever. So yeah, anyways, joking aside, okay, next stop on the St. Louis tour is Forest Park. Yeah, so guys, if you're coming up here on a bicycle, definitely a must do is Forest Park, and we'll go see what it's like. It shouldn't be too far away from here. It should be only about four miles. It's like 4 miles west of downtown. So yeah, we'll see what it's all about. It was like it's got like museums in there and everything, and yeah, we'll see. And yeah, hasta ciao ciao, bye for now, over and out from the concrete jungle of St. Louis, Missouri.